Today's current affairs questions. First is, what is REHAB? HAB. It is reducing elephant human attacks using bees. Generally, we see in the South Indian regions there are more human elephant attacks, and this has led to killing of elephants or else attacking humans by elephants. So to reduce this, bees were used by storing in a box where there is a fencing between the agricultural lands and the forest land, and if the elephants go towards that, then the bees come out and disturb the elephants, and then the elephants change its direction and go to its place. Second is, which organization launched Rehab? It is KVIC, that is Khadi and Village Industries Commission, has launched this Rehab scheme. Second question, what is National Honey Mission? It is a program to increase bee population, honey production and beekeepers' income. It is also one of the program to implement Atmanirbhar Bharat and to develop Indian economy. The sub-scheme of this fourth question, name the sub-scheme of National Honey Mission. It is Rehab. Rehab was being successfully implemented in Karnataka, and today Assam government announced that it is going to implement Rehab. So in that aspect, this topic has come. Now fifth question, is Omicron more transmissible? Yes, it is more transmissible but Delta, but as per the experts as per the experts, they said that Omicron is not as dangerous as Delta variant. So yes, Omicron is more transmissible but not dangerous than Delta virus, as per experts suggestion. Sixth question, what is baptism? It is a ceremony in which people become a member of Christian church. Generally, one of the BJP government leader in the parliament has said that so many conversions are taking place, especially in the tribal areas around Chhattisgarh region. So in that aspect, this baptism news has come up. Seventh question, when did Barbados became republic? This is the newest country to become a republic, and it has been on 30. This is not 13, it is on 30 November 2021, the Barbados became republic, and it is the world's newest republic country. Eighth question, what is meant by the word republic? Republic means the country which has elected government and elected leader. Ninth question, what is the longest expressway in India? It is Purvanchal Expressway in Uttar Pradesh. 10th question, how is the law repealed in India? Generally, the law will be repealed by two methods. One is by passing a bill or by ordinance. Last year, in 2019, 58 laws were repealed by the union government. So under Article 245, repealing and amending act, the laws will be repealed as per the constitution. Now 11th question, does trees migrate? Yes, the trees migrate with the changing climatic conditions, and the seeds which the trees spread in that area, they pass through the floods, wind, water, and reach to the other location, and when the location turns suitable to that seed, then the seed start germinating. So in that aspect, the trees from one region will migrate to other region. So it takes very long time So yes, the trees migrate. With the changing climatic conditions, the trees are migrating. 12th question, who is Khudiram Bose? He is the Indian freedom fighter who was involved in Muzaffarpur conspiracy case. Now 13th question, write a note on Muzaffarpur conspiracy case. It was took place in the year 1908. Khudiram Bose and as well as Prafulla Chaki planned to kill the magistrate D.H. Kingsford of Muzaffarpur. They threw a bomb, but unfortunately he was escaped, and two British women were killed. And for this case, Khudiram Bose and Prafulla Chaki were hanged to death. 14th question, what is stubble burning? Stubble burning is intentionally setting fire to remains after grains. And Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh are one of some of the major states which are contributing to stubble burning. And government has taken a required steps and issued penalties who were involved in stubble burning. 15th question, when did Bhopal gas tragedy took place? It was in the year 1984. 16th question, where is Khajuraho temple located? It is located in Madhya Pradesh. 17th question, which dynasty built the Khajuraho temple? It is Chandala dynasty. So guys, from next video we are going to increase the quality of questions. So MCQ type of questions will be there from tomorrow.